Hello, class. I'm that your friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about family. Today we shall be discussing on getting it right in pig farming. If you must succeed in it, then premium is actually necessary. Work is going on. Sorry about that. Okay, so if you must succeed, you need the premium animals in your farm. As you can see, we have some good durocs in our farm. The one guy just came out now. She's on her heat period and she's already looking for a male to do the business. So what I'm trying to say in essence is getting it right and getting a good premium is very, very important in pig farming. I can remember, please come over, let us look at what I'm talking about. You can see it's just about 8 months going to the ninth month. You can see how massive she is. So that is our gill, our bureau. You can see that is the game changer in big farm promoter. You need premium on all of this, including the meat, if you must succeed in it. Thank you very much and God bless you. You can see how massive it is. So that is so you can cut the camera.